Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to introduce myself. My name is Titi Rahmawati from Bachelor of Accounting 2018, and also my supervisor, Mr. Unggul Purwahedi, MSc PhD, and Mrs. Dr. Rida Prihatni, SAMSI, AKCACMR. And allow me to present the result of thesis entitled The Effect of TKM on MSME Performance by Mediation of Competitive Advantage. And next. Okay, the background of research. The effect of the 4.0 revolution era has had a significant impact on the business sector. According to Ruslan Ruslani, 2018, the problem to face competition in this 4.0 era is human resources. Based on data from the Ministry of SOE of the Republic of Indonesia, 2020, the current level of productivity and the ratio of entrepreneur in Indonesia is 3.47% of the total population. The entrepreneurial ratio and productivity rates are lower than Malaysia, Thailand, and Singapore, namely 4.74% and 4.26% and 8.76%. According to the result of Hendrat Moko research to 20 and 21, the productivity level of MSMEs in Indonesia is considered difficult to develop due to the low level of business performance and productivity of MSMEs, especially micro enterprises in 2012 to 2021, the number of micro enterprise is still at 98.7%. Next. And based on data from Kemenkop UKM 2021, the increase in the number of MSMEs in Indonesia by 1.98% is quite encouraging because there has been an increase from 2018 to 2019 where the previous number of MSMEs was only 64.19 million units to 65.47 million units. In addition, MSMEs Indonesia contribute 61.7% to GDP or 8,560 73.89 trillion rupiah, with a workforce absorption of 97% and a total investment of approximately 60.42%. Based Kemenkeu.go.id 2021. And next. Based on data from Ministry of Cooperative and SMEs, 56% of MSMEs experience a decline in sales profit, 22% of MSE experience financing difficult, 15% experience a problem in distributing goods, and 4% had difficulty getting raw materials. According to a survey by the Central Statistic Agency in 2022, 69.2% of MSMEs experience capital difficult during the COVID-19 pandemic. Meanwhile, according to the complaint report to the Kemenkop UKM as of October 2020, 39.22% of MSMEs experience capital constraint. And COVID-19 pandemic effect in Indonesia, pandemi ini bahkan menyebabkan 63,9% dari UMKM yang terdampak mengalami penurunan omset gitu, lebih dari 30%. Hanya 3,8% UMKM yang mengalami peningkatan omset. Next. Okay. According to Jaya et al. 2021, that some MSMEs in Jakarta are still applying simple technique, or it can be said that they are in the early stage of implementing quality management or TQM and are still having difficult in terms of financing. To face this competition, it is necessary to better prepare the capabilities of its human resources so that it will improve productivity and increase the competitiveness of MSMEs. Based on previous research by researcher Confiani and Ijati 2020, there are 64 MSMEs in the food processing sector in the city of Semarang using the TKM model and have a positive influence of on the performance of MSMEs. In addition, the research of Pembrini et al. 2019 that the TKM model has a major influence on 350 service sector SMEs in Selangor, Malaysia. And TKM model is considered about to have a positive impact on the MSME sector and is able to achieve competitive advantage, especially in terms of product quality, service, productivity, focus on goals, financial performance, employee involvement, continuous improvement, customer satisfaction, and increased profit. This is also in line with various studies by Imron et al., Jin Watansok, and ETC. There is positive influence between TKM on MSME's performance. However, there are different results from the research by Jazo et al., concluding that the result of the effect of TKM and organizational performance are not significant. Okay, according to Hardiani research, that there are significant results between TKM on competitive advantage, which is one of the supporter to increase the competitiveness of MSMEs. And then several other studies also conclude Minci, Ashari, Hardiani, Afiati, and Marini show the same result. And which has a significant positive relationship between TKM and competitive advantage. And then, according to Hardiani, that competitive advantage is defined as the spearhead of a company performance in market competition, which is implemented by various strategies used by a company to continue to have strong competitiveness and be able to improve business system on an ongoing basis. From this research, it shows a significant positive result between competitive advantage on the performance of MSMEs. This is in line with research by Ashari, Afiati, Marin, and also state that competitive advantage is something that can show a positive impact on MSME performance. And based on previous research that test the relationship of TKM on the performance of MSME had a significant positive result, and also research that test the relationship of competitive advantage on the performance of MSME had a significant positive result. It is possible that competitive advantage could mediate the effect of TKM on the performance of MSMEs. Okay, formulation of the problem. And the first, does TKM have a significant positive effect on the performance of MSMEs? Second, does TKM have a significant positive effect on competitive advantage? And third, does competitive advantage significantly have a positive effect on the performance of SMEs? And the last part, does competitive advantage mediate the relationship of TKM on MSME's performance significantly have a positive effect? And the research purposes, at first, test analyze the effect of TKM on the performance of MSMEs. Second, test and analyze the effect of TKM on competitive advantage. Third, test analyze the effect of competitive advantage on the performance of SMEs. And fourth, Thus analyze the effect of TKM, the performance of MSMEs through competitive advantage and benefit of research. First one, theoretical benefit, it is a hope that it can provide insight and knowledge about the effect of TKM on the performance of MSMEs by mediating competitive advantage, which this research is expected to support theories such as result-based view theory and dynamic theory of strategy. In addition, it can be used as research reference and can be used as empirical evidence related to gap research and in previous research on TKM on the performance of SMS is with competitive advantage. And the last second practical benefit, it is hope that it can provide information for MSMEs actor or owner regarding the importance of implementing TKM to improve product quality and improve MSME performance so as to create a competitive advantage and can assist MSMEs actors in increasing the value of products and service in accordance with market needs. Okay, and this is chapter 2, literature review. The first theory is research-based view theory. RBV theory was popularized by Wennerfeld 1984 in the research of Hillman et al. 2020 that companies that suppress research will improve performance and achieve competitive advantage. So that successful business occurs. In general, this RBV theory related to business performance that has superior competitiveness is effective in the capabilities of a business and has optimal resources. And this is supported by Wennerfeld 1984 study of RBV, which provide a few of the researches that are considered to provide the basis for answering some of the main problem and following the formulation as of a diversified corporate strategy. And the second theory is dynamic theory of strategy. According to Porter theory, there is one strategy to achieve competitive advantage, namely by applying differentiation and low cost are known as Porter generic strategy. This is in line with the concept of driver, which means that structurally determining factor can clearly distinguish between competitors both in terms of cost and activities. According to Porter 1991, there are three main strategies commonly used by companies. First, cost leadership strategy, second, difference strategy, and third, focus strategy. And next, MSME performance. Business performance is the result of achieving common company goals by means of a good and effective strategy. And Kaplan and Norton 1996 performance measurement has been carried out by many researchers, Jaya et al., Respatiningsi, Yazid, Kurniawati, and Meliana Yintani, and this indicator Kaplan and Norton. First, financial perspective, consumer perspective, internal business process perspective, and learn and growth perspective. And next, total quality management. According to Gotts and Davis 2016, TKM is interpreted as a superior quality approach in terms of business operation that can maximize the potential for competitiveness, which can have an influence on business process in developing products with continuous improvement and providing quality service and involving employees with potential so as to improve business performance. And this is 10 indicators by Gotts and Davis has been widely used by various previous studies such as Jaya et al., Hardiani, and Minci. Focus on customer, obsession with quality, scientific approach, long-term commitment. There is teamwork, continuous process improvement, on-the-job education and training, control freedom, purpose fit, and employee participant and empowerment. And competitive advantage. According to Kotler and Armstrong, 2003, competitive advantage is the ability of a company to face competitor through offering lower value but providing more benefit. According to Firman 2021, to measure competitive advantage, there are several indicators that can be obtained by companies is achieving a goal: innovation strategy, quality improvement strategy, cost reduction strategy, and differentiation strategy. Next. Okay, previous research. Here there are four previous research that conclude the variable that relate to the research that the research is doing gitu. First, Minci research to 2018 entitled Application of TQM Practice on Business Performance and Competitiveness as Mediation Variable in SMEs in Dumai City. The result of studies that TQM has positive influence on business performance. TQM has a positive effect on competitiveness. Competitiveness has a positive effect on business performance. Competitiveness mediating TQM on business performance has a positive result. And second, result on the effect of TQM and on organizational performance with innovation as a mediating variable. The result of the studies that TQM had a positive effect on organizational performance. Third, the effect. Third, Hardiani research 2019, the effect of TQM on company performance through competitive advantage. The result of studies that TQM had a positive effect on organizational performance. TQM has a positive effect on competitive advantage. Competitive advantage has a positive effect on organizational performance. TQM and organizational performance through competitive advantage have a positive influence. And fourth, the influence of the total quality management, market orientation, and marketing on hotel performance, that the TQM result have a negative effect on business performance. And the result is Bajazo at all. Next. Okay. Based on the result of previous research that are relevant to exciting supporting theories, the theoretical framework of this research is as follows. Independent variable or X is total quality management or TQM, and dependent variable or Y is MSME performance, and mediation variable is competitive advantage. Next. And hypothesis development. Hypothesis 1 is TQM has a significant positive effect on the performance of SMSE. And hypothesis 2, TQM has a significant positive effect on a competitive advantage. Hypothesis 3, competitive advantage has a significant positive effect on the performance of SMEs. Hypothesis 4, competitive advantage mediates the relationship of TQM to MSME performance significantly has a positive effect. Next. Okay, research method. The research use quantitative approach, and the time research is April to July to 2022, and the place research is Pademangan, North Jakarta, and use search data is primary data and online questionnaire survey and interview, and then technique sampling in this research is purposive sampling, and population research MSMI Warner located in Pademangan District, North Jakarta, and the sample among 100 sample, but only 70 sample that match the sample criteria. And this is a sample criteria. The first, Pademangan District MSMI, which is a recommendation from the DKI Jakarta, PPK UKM DKI Jakarta for the 2022 period. And the second sample criteria is MSMI, which in their operation have or are not aware of using the TKM system, and in calculating the number of sample using the Slovene formula. And then n is n is number of sample, and so total population divide by 1 plus total population multiplied margin of error is 98.228 sama dengan 100 sampel. Okay, next. Okay, sample criteria table. And this is sample criteria table, and this is MSMI sample table by type of business, food and beverage, fashion, art and craft, service, and this is data measurement Likert scale to research. Next. Nah, this is indicator Likert scale, strongly disagree, score 1, disagree, score 2, neutral, score 3, and agree, score 4, strongly agree, score 5. Next. Okay, data analysis. The study used PLS-SAM on Smart PLS 3.0 software. According to Puradantin 2018, PLS-SAM does not need many assumptions and can test a relatively small number of samples, namely the minimum sample size used is around 30 samples. Okay, PLS-SAM is PLS-SAM is evaluation two, and the first evaluation of measurement model to test the validity and reliability, and the second evaluation is evaluation of structural model to test causality, and evaluation of measurement model the first convergent validity. This test considered the value of average variance extracted, or AVE, and outer loadings. The value of outer loadings 0.7, then it's valid. AVE more than 0.5 or 0.5 convergent validity is accepted. And then discriminant validity. This test consider the value factor of cross-loadings and Cornell Likert. The value of cross-loading more than 0.7 it is valid. For the Likert square root value of each AVE construct more than correlation value with other construct, then it has a good discriminant of validity value. And then composite reliability and Cronbach alpha to test the accuracy and precision of measurement of all construct. If the value of composite reliability and Cronbach alpha more than 0.7, then 0.7, the value is said to be reliable. And evaluation of structural model is coefficient determinacy or R square. Predictive aware model, which is assessed as a quadratic correlation between the actual value and the predictive value of a particular and the endogen construct. Here the R square value 0.75 is strong, 0.50 is moderate, 0.25 is weak. And PET coefficient or coefficient jalur, a model that looks at the direction of the hypothetical relationship. If the value is getting closer to +1, the relationship is more positive. And if -1, the relationship is getting stronger negative. And the last test statistic, a significant test of the hypothesis using an alpha level of 5%, the critical value is 1.96. If the value is in range of minus 1.96, less than test statistic, or test statistic more test statistic less than 1.96, the result of the hypothesis are not significant. If the value of test statistic less than 1.96 or more than 1.96, then the result of the hypothesis are significant. Next. Respondent, and this is chapter 4, result, all about result and discussion. Okay, data description, respondent profile. The data for this study amounted to 100 sample, but based on the calculation of the Slovin formula and purposive sampling technique, but only 70 sample were in accordance with the criteria for the sample. Respondent profile in this study were based on gender, age, last education, length, or of business had been registered with the SME, cooperative, trade, industry office, and already had employee, where the data was measured by the result in the form of a percentage. Okay. The number of MSE owner in this study was 70 respondents, dominated by women with a total of 45 respondents, or 64.29%, which is much larger than the number of male MSME owner, as many as 25 respondents, or 35.71%, because women are considered to have an innovation or unique ability, so that they can make business opportunities to pursue this business field. MSMEs owner age 41 to 50 years dominate in this study, as many as 21 respondents are 30%. This happens because at the age of 41 to 50 years, MSMEs owner have far more experience, but there are weakness in innovating. In the sense, the young MSMEs owner are much more able to continue to innovate and modify products or service. MSMEs owner age 21 to 30 years were 18 respondents, or 25.71%. Furthermore, MSME owners age 31 to 40 years were 17 respondents, or 24.29%. Lastly, there are the education level of MSME winner from 70 respondent is dominated by the education level of senior high school, where the winners of MSMEs who took education at the senior high school level, where 37 respondent or 52.86%. This happens because of limited educational background of the MSME owner, which make these limitations or a business opportunity to continue develop and carry out productivity in business. As many as 28 respondents have a length of business more than 7 years or 40%. This is also in accordance with the age of the dominant MSME owners who are no longer young. Then as many as 22 respondents have a business length of 2 to 4 years. This happened because the last 2 years there had been a COVID-19 pandemic, which according to the investment coordinating brand or BKPM, the interest in micro enterprise during the pandemic remained dominant and became an easy business choice to run. And also based on the respondent profile table, from 70 respondents who have small business dominate more than medium business. This can be seen from the number of employees, 5 to 19 people, as many as 55 respondents or 78.57% called small business. In addition, MSME owner with 20 to 1990 employees, as many as 15 respondents or 21.43% are called medium-sized business. Okay, next. Okay, profile data. The data for this study amount to 100 sample, but those that match the sample criteria were only 70 sample. The profile of data in this study is to determine the characteristic of the respondent answer to the statement of total quality management, MSM performance, and competitive advantage. This research data profile use descriptive analysis to present the frequency, minimum value, maximum value, average value, and standard deviation. And this is descriptive analysis table. And the variable TQM as an independent variable has 20 statement. MSME performance as dependent variable has X statement. Competitive advantage as a mediating variable has X statement. With the number of respondent as many 70 with a minimum number of answer of 2 scores on TQM and competitive advantage, but the minimum on MSME performance is 1 score. For the maximum number of answer on the variable of TQM as MSME performance and competitive advantage of 5 scores. The average value or mean in the TQM segment is 4.58. MSME performance is 4.27, and competitive advantage is 4.23, which means that in this study, the MSME owner as respondent agreed to the effect of TQM on MSME performance by mediation and competitive advantage. In addition, the result of standard deviation value in TQM are 0.60, MSME performance is 0.77 and competitive advantage is 0.70, which means that the data in this study has a range of value that are less varied because they have a small distance between magnitudes of each data or to the calculate average value. Next. Okay, this is and the first evaluation of measuring model or auto model, and this is auto model as a test of validity and reliability, and this is image path diagram, TQM as a variable independent, and this is kinerja UMKM as a variable dependent, and keunggulan bersaing as a variable mediation. The path diagram in this study connect variable where TQM as independent and also kinerja UMKM MSME performance as dependent variable and competitive advantage as mediating variable to test the validity of using convergent validity and discriminant validity for reliability testing using competitive reliability and Cronbach alpha. Next. Okay, and this is convergent validity and table auto loadings. If the value auto loadings of 0.7 means it's valid. If the result less than 0.7 means it's not valid. And then you can see CA 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 is valid because value auto loadings more than 0.7, and CA4 is not valid or drop because less than 0.7, and MP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 8 is valid because more than 0.7, and TQM 1, 2, 3 to 20. Next. Okay, is valid, but TQM 13 and 15 is not valid because the value auto loading less than 0.7. Okay, the result of the convergent validity test on TQM with 20 statement items, 18 statement items are declared valid and can be used for future testing, and two statement item TQM 13 and TQM 15 were declared invalid or dropped and could not be used for further testing. The result, the convergent validity test on MSME performance declared valid and can be used for future testing, and a result convergent validity test on competitive advantage, 7 statement is valid and can be used for future testing, and 1 item statement CA4 is declared invalid or dropped, so it cannot be used for further testing. Okay, next. Okay, and the convergent validity this is output outer model, and next test the average variance extracted or EVE value. If the EVE value more than 0.5, then EVE value can be said to be valid if the EVE value of each variable in this study. Table average variance extracted EVE table. Okay, variable competitive advantage EVE is 0.595, MSE performance EVE 0.579, total quality management 0.610. Based on the table of EVE test result from indicator in measuring each variable in this study have a value more than 0.5, which means that the value is acceptable or valid. Next. Okay. Two, the second test is discriminant validity. In evaluating discriminant validity, it is necessary to test cross-loading and Fornell-Likert criterion. This is Fornell-Likert criterion table. Okay. Based on the result of the Fornell-Likert criterion, it can be seen that the square root AVE value on MSE performance is 0.761, which is greater than the competitive advantage correlation value of 0.67, which means that the discriminant validity value is acceptable. In addition, the AVE square root value on TKM is 0.781, which is greater than the MSE performance a correlation value of 0.593. And also between the AVE square root value on TKM is greater than competitive advantage correlation value of 0.488. This shows the discriminant validity value can be accepted. Okay, next. Okay, and this is a table Fornell-Likert criterion table. Okay, and it can be seen that the outer loading value of the CA1 indicator with the competitive advantage variable has a value 0.814, which value has a correlation value greater than the cross-loading cross-loading of the correlation of the CA1 with the MSME performance variable of 0.4483 and the total quality management variable of 0.339. And so CA1 to 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 is a more greater value has a correlation value greater than the cross-loading value of the correlation of the CA1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 with the MSE performance variable and the total quality management is greater value. And also MP1 to MP3, MP8, and also TKM1 to TKM 2020 is a value greater than the cross-loading value of the correlation others. Next. Okay, based on the result of the cross-loading test, it can be seen that the overall value of the outer loadings of each indicator on related construct has a value greater than the value of the cross-loading on other construct. Thus, all existing constructs have good discriminant validity. Next. Okay, and the third test is composite reliability and Cronbach alpha. This is composite reliability and Cronbach alpha table. Value Cronbach alpha of competitive advantage is 0.9 886 composite reliability to and composite reliability of 911 and Cronbridge Alpha to MSE performance of 0.896 and composite reliability of 0.916 and total quality management variable value Cronbridge Alpha is 0.962 and value composite reliability is 0.966. Okay, the value of composite reliability and the value of composite reliability has a value more than 0.7, meaning that all variable in this study can be said to be reliable. This is because all the variable in the composite reliability test and Cronbridge Alpha have adequate internal consistency is measuring a construct. Therefore, all the constructs in this study were declared reliable and could carry out further analytical testing. Based on the result of the evaluation of Weiser model or auto model, it can be concluded that the study has convergent validity and discriminant validity test results that are adequate and acceptable. In addition, the composite reliability and Cronbridge Alpha tests have adequate internal consistency reliability result. Therefore, research can carry out further analytical testing. Next. Okay. And this is evaluation of structural model or inner model. The first test is R square. Variable competitive advantage, R square value is 0.238 and variable MSE performance of R square value is 0.484 based on the result of the R-square test that has been carried out. It can be seen the R-square value in TKM affect the competitive advantage by 0.238. It's say weak, and it means that 23.8% competitive advantage can be influenced by TKM, and 76.2% competitive advantage is influenced by other variable. In addition, the value of R square on TKM and competitive advantage evaluate MSME performance by 0.484 is say weak. This means depth of 48.4% of MSME performance can be influenced by TKM and competitive advantage, while 51.6% of MSME performance is influenced by other variables. Okay, next. And the second test inner model is PET coefficient, and based on the result of the PET coefficient test, it can be seen that every variable in the study has a positive relationship in testing. The TKM variable on competitive advantage, it has a positive effect of 0.48. In addition, the TKM variable testing on MSE performance also has a positive effect of 390. Then the competitive advantage test on MSME performance also has a positive effect of 0.417. Next. Okay. And the third test inner model is test statistic. Test statistic is defined as a test that tests the significance of the hypothesis. If test statistic less than minus 1.96 or test statistic more than 1.76, then the hypothesis result is significant. To find out this hypothesis, testing can be seen from the bootstrapping output, and this is image bootstrapping. And next. Okay, this is bootstrapping table, and then TQM, the effect TQM to MSE performance, original sample or O, and this is a beta coefficient value of 0.390, which means positive, and TQM to competitive advantage, 0.488, which means positive, competitive advantage, effect to MSE performance, positive, TQM to competitive advantage to MSE performance is positive. The higher the TQM value, the higher the value of MSE performance, TQM will improve MSME performance by 39%, and TQM effect to competitive advantage is 48.8%, and competitive advantage effect to MSE performance is 41.7%, and TQM to competitive advantage to MSE performance is 20.3%. And in addition, the result of hypothesis testing on TQM on the performance of SMEs have a statistic of 4.752, and then result hypothesis testing on TQM on the competitive advantage have a statistic value of 5.656, and competitive advantage on the MSME performance have a statistic value of 4.288, and TQM on the mediate competitive advantage and MSE performance is 3.287. I'm sorry. Based on the result of the existing hypothesis testing, it can be seen that the value of each hypothesis in this study, namely hypothesis 1, 2, 3, and 4, has a value of more than 1.96, which means that all hypotheses in this study are accepted. Okay, next. Okay, discussion, and this is discussion. Okay, and the first, the effect of total quality management on MSME performance. The first hypothesis in this study formulates that the higher or the level of total quality management or TQM, the higher the level of MSME performance, the result of the research on testing the first hypothesis are accepted. This is because TQM has a significant influence on MSME performance. The result of this study are also in line with previous research conducted by Saho and Yadov, Imran et al., Chinwatansok, and ETZ, show a significant positive result between the effect of TQM on MSME performance, according to Jaya et al. MSE owners with simple TQM practice or in the early stage are able to increase the quality of products that can provide added value consumers, so that they can have an increasing effect on MSME performance. The result of this study also support RBV, result-based theory, which can provide effectiveness in business capabilities with optimal research. According to Assad et al., TQM is an important element that contribute to continuously improving product quality and improving company performance based on the findings and the theory on conformity. MSME owners can apply the TKM model well in their business operations so that the management system in the form of data quality management can improve the operation of business with continuous improvement. If the application of TKM in business is more effective, the achievement of organizational performance will also be maximized. Okay, next. According to the result of interview with MSME owner, it can be concluded that the business that is run always focus on consumer. This is because the focus on consumer is one the case to success improving business performance. If the business owner does not have the sense of focus on consumer but internally and externally, consumer will run away from the products or service provided because customer satisfaction is an added value in the business which has an effect on increasing financial performance which can provide greater profit than before. This is aligned with Wang's statement. Basically, before improving the quality of the product in the business, the owner of MSME must do it first by improving the business performance or human resources. And the result of study are the owner of MSME are dominant in the type of food and beverage business by providing optimal service, starting from ordering service, meeting consumer expectation, providing a comfortable place, selling price that are including with the quality expected by consumer, and being able to reduce production costs such as waste on raw material costs. Okay, next. And second is the effect of data quality management on competitive advantage. The second hypothesis in this study is the effect of data quality management on competitive advantage. The second hypothesis in this study formulates that the higher the total quality management, the higher the performance level of MSME. The result of the research on testing the second hypothesis are accepted. This is because TKM has a significant influence on competitive advantage. The result of this study are also in line with previous research conducted by Firman, Habiani, Ermadani, Miki show a significant positive result between the influence of TKM on competitive advantage. In addition, MSE owners who have implemented TKM in their business have a competitive advantage that can add value to business. TKM is interpreted as tool to form MSME strategies that have superior quality talk business strategies and knowing the condition of business growth and encouraging business actor to innovate so that MSME actor can gain a competitive advantage. This result of this study also support the dynamic theory of strategy, where this theory is in line with the concept of TKM, whose application also carries out a continuous improvement approach according to Porter 1991 theory that one strategy to achieve competitive advantage is to apply differentiation and low-cost strategy. Based on finding and theory has a match, then MSME owner can apply the TKM model well in their business operations so that the management system in the form of TKM can increase competition competitively with element of implementation innovation strategies, improving quality, reduction cost, and doing product differentiation in line with research conducted by Wiji Harjono. Next. Okay, based on the result of interview with MSME owner regarding the application of the TKM system to competitive advantage, it can be concluded that application of TKM system to competitive advantage is considered good but not optimal in terms of innovation. This happened because dominant MSE owner in Pademangan district are 41 to 50 years old, meaning that MSC Warner have more business experience than MSC Warner who are younger. However, when compared in terms of innovation and differentiation, MSC Warner age 41 to 50 years are far behind with MSC Warner's age below. This is evidenced by data from sindonews.com. And however, according the MSc age 41 to 50 years, in the study they said attending a lot of training on various online and on offline. Thus, total quality management in the business operation of MSc Warner is able to continue to strive to achieve competitive advantage, so that if TKM has increased, then it can also increase the value of competitive advantage in the business. Okay, next. The effect of competitive advantage on MSME performance. The third hypothesis in the study is the effect of the competitive advantage on the performance of SMEs. SMEs. The third hypothesis in this study formulates that the higher the level of competitive advantage in a business, the higher the performance level of MSMEs, the results of the research on testing the third hypothesis are accepted. This is because competitive advantage has significant influence on the performance of MSMEs. The result these studies are also in line with previous research by Minci, Ashari, Hardiani, Afiati, Marini show significant positive result between the effect of competitive advantage on MSE performance. The research of this study also show that there is a relationship with the RBV theory, which states that a business can achieve a sustainable competitive advantage if the business can utilize its internal resources against its competitor in a market orientation that can affect business performance. And this is based on the research of this research interview. There are findings that if competitive advantage increase, there will also be an increase in the performance of MSMEs, and if competitive advantage decrease, there will also be a decrease in MSME performance. Next. Okay. The phenomenon that has occurred in last 2 years, precisely in 2019, there has been a pandemic that has caused the level of business performance in all sectors to decline. This also has an impact on decreasing the level of business competition, which can make MSME owners lose a lot business capital because they have to cover business losses, and there is an inhibition of business cash flow. However, in May 2022, MSME who were responded in this study have bounced back with 58 MSME owner, or 82.86% experiencing and increasing in sales profit, so that only 12 MSME owners or 17.14% are still experiencing a decline or uncertain number in obtaining income sales profit. MSME owner who experience increased sales have implemented innovation strategies by updating or modifying products from time to time. In addition, MSME owners also always hold discussion to create a good concept by involving to entire team, because basically everyone is responsible and commitment to carrying out their that is Then MSME owners also try to increase business productivity by implementing a simple work system and flexible work assignment. So business can prevent wasting costs such as raw material, in the sense that these MSME owners apply a low cost structure, but the quality of the product is maintained well. MSME owners also apply a differentiation strategy, which is the most effective strategy to promote product or service, so as to create added value from good customer. This is in line with the research of Aviati and Barney et al. Next. Next. Oh, okay. The effect of competitive advantage mediating the relationship of TKM on MSE performance. The fourth hypothesis in this study is the effect of competitive advantage mediating the relationship of TKM on the performance of MSME. The fourth hypothesis in this study formulated that if total TKM and MSE performance have a positive effect and competitive advantage, and MSME performance have a positive effect. Competitive advantage is possible to mediate the effect of TKM and MSME performance. The result of the research on testing the fourth hypothesis are accepted. Based on the result of testing, competitive based on the result of testing, competitive advantage can mediate the relationship between TKM on the performance on the performance of SMSE. The results of this study are also in line with previous research conducted by Firman, Irmadani, Atika, Hadiani, show a significant positive result between the influence competitive advantage mediating the relationship of TKM on the performance of MSMEs. Competitive advantage is defined as the spread of MSMEs in facing business competition by implementing various strategies to maximize the role of the TKM system in order to improve MSME performance. Based on the result of interview with MSME owners, researchers show the influence of competitive advantage that was able to improve the relationship between TKM and MSME performance. The various answers as answered by MSME owners still lead to one direction, namely agreeing that competitive advantage can mediate the influence of TKM on MSME performance. Simultaneously factor in TKM such as continuous improvement and factor in competitive advantage such as meeting customer expectation and satisfaction are in line with the increasing performance of MSMEs. If a company has good competitiveness, it can have an effect on increasing business performance, and also the company strives to continue to provide good quality management through various innovation strategies so that consumer can feel satisfaction and put a sense of loyalty to the business. Okay, next. Conclusion. The first conclusion is total quality management significantly has a positive influence on the performance of MSMEs. The second conclusion is TKM has a significant positive effect on competitive advantage. Third conclusion is competitive advantage has a significant positive effect on the performance of SMEs. And fourth the fourth conclusion is competitive advantage mediate the relationship of total quality management to the performance of MSMEs, which has a significant positive effect. Next. Okay, and this is implication, theoretical implication. This research contribute to the findings obtained from the TKM research on the performance of MSME, which is considered to be still minimal and needs to be renewed for the year of the research. This research also gave the result of a direct influence from the implementation of a good TKM system that can improve the performance of MSMEs. In addition, MSME owner who run their business operation, if they apply a good competitive advantage, can improve MSME performance so that the business can be superior and be able to compete wherever the business is running. Furthermore, the result of the use of competitive advantage mediation have an influence on the relationship between TKM and the performance of MSMEs, which simultaneously factors in the TKM and factor in competitive advantage are in line with the increasing performance of MSMEs. The research contribute to RBV theory. In this theory, the capability of MSEs becomes effective if the TKM becomes an important element that contribute to improving product quality and improving business performance and producing good product quality so as to achieve excellence, compete. In addition, this research contributes to the dynamic theory of strategy in which there are strategies that can be applied to achieve competitive advantage, namely by applying differentiation strategies and low-cost strategy for good quality products or service so that they can meet customer needs and create satisfaction customer. Next. Okay, and this is practical implication. And the first is MSME owner in the application of the TKM model approach. It is also hope that it can run well, such as focusing on service and product according to consumer demand, providing good service, reduction production cost, providing friendly prices for consumer, but maintaining superior product quality so that consumer can have a sense of loyalty to the business run by MSME actor. And that's why MSMEs that are facing increasing business competition can carry out strategy for competitive advantage well so that business run by MSMEs owner can achieve optimal MSE performance. And to government to provide business capital expansion for small business, because with material support it becomes one of the economic booster in Indonesia. In addition, support improving product quality through the use of digital technology and increasing productivity to the improvement of MSME in various digital market, as well as providing as a marketing platform through various exhibition or similar activities. And third, the last, the Dinas PPKUKM DKI Jakarta to be able to pay more attention to MSME located in Pademangan District, North Jakarta, so that they can introduce quality approach such as the TKM model approach, provide business management training, accompanied by ongoing evaluation so that MSMEs can improve their business performance in their midst of a pandemic as it is today, and can be solution to revive MSMEs in Pademangan District, North Jakarta. Next. Okay, and this is research limitation. And the first, the study has a small number of sample and is limited to one particular area, namely Pademangan District, North Jakarta, because the research are limited in cost and time. And the second, this study is limited to variable the performance of SMEs only by using of total equity management or TKM and competitive advantage variable. And third, this research is limited to research question posed to MSME owners, which are less specific and in-depth. But just 3 respondents in deep interview. Okay, and this is recommendation. One, And the first further research is suggested to be able to determine the number of sample more and expand the scope of research such as district or city, provincial or national. And the second further research is expected to be able to examine more diverse variable, either adding variable or replacing other variables such as entrepreneur orientation, market orientation, accounting information system, and so on. In addition, further research is suggested to examine other topics such as Lean Six Sigma and on the performance of SMEs. Third, future research is expected to be able to ask more specific interview questions regarding the application on TKM to MSE performance and competitive advantage to MSME owners. Okay. Next. Okay, and it's a final slide in this presentation, and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.